Hello, good day, everyone. I hope you're doing great. So, here is one thing that I need to bring to your attention. When you are coming into the United States, you're going to be meeting a group of people known as the Customs and Border Protection unit. Okay, these are the people that will ask you, okay, what are you coming to do in the US? How long are you here for, and all of that. At that point, when you're being questioned, there's no right to counsel. This means that you do not have access to legal counsel. So all the answers that you're going to be given, you have to be very careful of them, right? Because at that point, they're not going to allow you to say, oh, can I call my attorney? Well, you can ask, but nobody's going to, most people are not going to bother. They're not going to allow you to call your attorney, because at that point, right to counsel does not attach, right? Of course, okay, yes. So, of course, the Administrative and Procedure Act, if you're being questioned by an agency, you have the right to be represented by counsel. But at that point, at the border, when you're seeking admission to gain entry into the US, you're not yet within the jurisdiction of the United States. So they deny you the right to even talk to your attorney. So all the answers you're going to be given will be recorded and will be used against you. Okay. The second thing I want to bring to your attention is that at that point, at the port of entry, there's no expectation of privacy. There's no reasonable expectation of privacy on your mobile devices, on in your bags or whatever. So make sure you don't have funny things on your phones, or funny conversations with people, or funny documents that will give an officer the idea that you're coming to engage in unauthorized employment if you're on a B2 visa, or for example, you're going to be looking for a job. Okay, so people, make sure that you have cleared your phones of any conversation or videos that will lead somebody to, ask you questions and detain you for further questioning. So, for example, I get people who call me and they were coming in on a B2 visitors visa, and then once they, on their previous visits, they babysat a nephew and they were paid some money. This is unauthorized employment, and if they find any indication of this, your visa is going to be cancelled and you're going to be put into something known as expedited removal, and you'll be banned from entering the US for the next 5 years. Okay, so there are various ways they're able to pick this up. You don't want to be a victim. If you are in doubt and need my assistance before you come into the US, because at the time of the port of entry, you're not allowed to speak to a lawyer, give us a call on 802-7800-564. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.